Hello YouTubers, this is my HD2 and we're going to, I'm going to talk to you about it since I've had it for a few months and am able to give you a lot of information. So let's get off the lock screen here. I'm trying to do this from the side angle. And this is my today screen with the animated weather, etc. Oh, by the way, this is the T-Mobile HD2. The fun thing about it is I have installed Cookies Home Tab Editor, etc., and a bunch of tweaks and custom task bars and sliders. Sliders are what's at the bottom of the screen here, and at the top this is the task bar. These are notification icons, the clock obviously, the weather, and these are called quick links here in the middle. I just wanted to put this up to motivate and force me to get you people some information about the HD2. I've been pretty busy with other things, so I haven't had a chance to do this. As you can tell from my other videos, I have quite a few on the G1 and also the Touch Pro 2, and I talk about the let me move this back a little. I talk about the Windows Mobile 6.5, HTC Sense, etc. So I'm going to, on these new videos, talk about everything in conjunction with the T-Mobile HD2. It's a great phone. I'm very pleased with it, and if you tweak it properly and use the Windows Task Manager, Windows Mobile Task Manager, the phone runs really well. I'll provide tips on that, what I'm talking about. But basically, here you can see I have a Task Manager right here as an icon on my quick links, and I'll be going over how to use that program, etc. But stay tuned, come on back, and I'll have tutorials on how to install Hard SPL, which stands for Secondary Program Loader. How to install that, it's very easy. And after you install Hard SPL, you can put any custom ROM that you want on the phone. But before you do that, you have to install Hard SPL, so keep that in mind. Just to show off a little what this is all about, this Cookies Home Tab Editor and the program, it's basically a user shell that the developer of Cookies, what he did was modify HTC Sense that comes on the HD2. Let's see, last year we were using it, and it was called Leo back then, the ROM with HTC Sense on it. But HTC Sense is a very cool user interface. I enjoy it. I like using it, and I think that's one of the finest software apps, or whatever you want to call it, user shell, that is on the market. But what this Cookies program does is modify that significantly. Excuse me, I don't have a tripod, I can't find it in my pile of junk, so I'm using this is camera sitting on top of a box. But anyway, what Cookies does is make HTC Sense a really great program to use, a user shell. For example, these quick links that are right up here, you can select the number of rows and also how many icons you want across in terms of quick links. The original HTC Sense comes with just 4 quick links on your today screen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that alone, that feature is extremely cool. Let me just show you real quick what I'm talking about as far as this shell. Just as a little preview, a little teaser if you will. We'll press this and we'll say, you can see the menu that comes up and it says Cookies Home Tab Editor, and then it says Edit Home Layout, Edit Quick Links. The Home Tab Editor is the real meat of the program. There's two things you have to install. Cookies, not only the app, the shell, but also the editor, so you can make changes. But watch what happens when I click this. See, and then it comes up with all the different, you can see here the version I'm using, which is the latest, 1.7.1.0. But quick link settings, lock screen settings, applications, miscellaneous settings. So watch when I press quick link settings. Look at all the different options that I have. You can't do that with HTC Sense out of the box, meaning when you get your HD2, HTC Sense that's installed on there doesn't have these types of options and selections that you can make. Let's see, I press the back key. And then you can see applications, lock screen settings. I'll go over that in another video. But back to the home screen. I also have some custom slider icons installed. The slider again is at the bottom here. Watch what happens when I slide. Let me use this. Hopefully that's all showing up. I can't. This Manila TV player is really cool. And I'll show you, I'll talk about that in my tutorial on this program. Let's see if we launch. Manila TV is a free TV player. Some channels don't, most channels don't work. I must have that on mute or something. But anyway, you can see that it's a TV channel, LA, Fox News. And then you go down here, and there's all these different channels. But like I say, a lot of them don't work. The weather icon, etc. That's an HTC Sense function, but we'll go over that later. You can customize the clock that you see here. You can customize the entire look of this page, and I'll be talking about that. Here I have various screens. See how I did that? Isn't that cool? So anyway, tune back. I didn't mean to go into too much detail. It's just more of a teaser to show you some various things here. Here, let me run my task manager and I'll show you that here I'll say close all, and now my phone will run a lot better. That's as easy as it is to get your HD2 to run smoking fast, and where it doesn't lag is just to run task manager every once in a while. Then I have a reset button, Wi-Fi toggler. These are all icons that I set up myself. So we'll go over all that. It's very exciting. I love this phone. It is a great phone, and even more so once you install everything like I have here. So come back.